Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Learn Online. Today is the lesson 3 of my pronunciation playlist and it is going to be about accent grave. Yesterday we learned about accent aigu. Today we are going to learn about accent grave and in my next video we will learn the third accent, circumflex. So let's begin. In accent aigu, yesterday we saw that the accent goes to the left and accent grave goes to the right. And yesterday we also saw that accent aigu was only on vowel E, but accent grave goes on 3 different vowels, A, E and U. All the times, all the accents goes only on vowels. You will never ever find any accent on any consonant. So it is on A and U. So first let's talk about vowel A and vowel U. When we have vowel A and vowel U with accent grave, then it does not mean that we have a different pronunciation. The pronunciation actually does not change at all when we have accent on A and U. And it is used to differentiate word with same spelling but different meaning. So let's see a few examples about it. So on the left hand side, you can see A with accent grave, and on the right hand side, A, vowel A. So the first example is A with accent grave. Its meaning is to, and next is A, which has the meaning has, and the pronunciation is same, A. Next example is la, means there, and next example is la and the meaning is the. With accent meaning is there, without accent meaning is the. And next we are talking about vowel U. When we have with accent OU, that means where, and when we have without accent, its meaning is or. So we have I have given you three examples, 2 for A and 1 for U. So let's talk about vowel E. Its sound is A. So what is the perfect pronunciation for E with accent grave? Now try to speak it with me with your mouth naturally open, and it has a very small sound. Open your mouth naturally, don't stretch your mouth, just open naturally, and a small sound A. A. A-I, A. A. Now let's see a few examples of it. First is le père, father. Le père. La mère, mother. La mère. Next is fier. Fier, proud. This is an adjective, meaning is proud. Next is très, very. Très. Next is a zèbre. A zèbre. A zebra. Next is un élève. Un élève. A student. Next is la rivière. La rivière. The river. Next is mon frère. Mon frère. My brother. So that's it for today. And in my next video, we will be learn about circumflex So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss any video on pronunciation. And show your support by subscribing to my channel. And if you really like my video, please share it, like it, and comment if you have any queries or concerns. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.